How do you get rid of a gummy smile? What actually causes this gummy smile is having too much gum growing over the teeth. This causes these teeth to appear shorter, and this can happen from several reasons, such as inflammation. Inflammation can puff up your gums, and that can kind of shrink your visible teeth. And it happens frequently after braces. When they pull the teeth back, the gums can kind of creep up on those teeth as well. Or it can even be something like hyperplasia from some common medications like amlodipine, which a lot of people are taking. So these things can actually cause your gums to basically creep over the top of those teeth. And these short, stubby appearing teeth it's simple to treat though, because we know how much tooth is supposed to be showing. We know the average measurements, and we can use instruments like a laser to actually remove the appropriate amount of gum and tissue to actually sculpt the perfect size and shape of the teeth so we can get a great aesthetic result for you. So if you think you do have a gummy smile, please give us a call. We can definitely take a look at that, and we can give you the smile you deserve.